Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can stop getting notification when a contact join a Telegram. Alright guys, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. And then after we have our Telegram application opened, we can tap on this three lines button on the top right on the top left corner of our screen. And then we can tap on the settings option, and on the settings option you have to select the notifications and sounds setting. Okay, then you have to scroll down until you find the contact joined Telegram, this one. Tap on the toggle button to disable this notification. Okay, and now the contact joined Telegram notification has been disabled, and now you won't get the notification when your contact join a Telegram. Alright guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.